Hike Metal Products is a ship repair and structural fabricator located in Wheatley, Ontario. Hike Metal is located on the largest commercial freshwater fishing harbour in the world. Along with neighbouring fishing harbours, this facilitates a large fleet of fishing vessels that Hike Metal is fortunate to be able to service and repair. This is in addition to many police units that we assist in repairs, Canadian Coast Guard and auxiliary search and rescue units, as well as various passenger vessels. My name is Joel Newhouse. I am the Vice President of Operations here at Hike Metal Products in Wheatley, Ontario.
We have people here that have been here for over 40 years. We have new people training who are so energetic and so excited to come and join us. And every day is a different product, is a different item, is a different job, a different role. And because of our diversity in boat building and ship building, we work on everything custom built and work very closely with customers to give them the full satisfaction they require. My name is Steve Ingram. I am the President and CEO of Hike Metal Products Limited. We are in Wheatley, Ontario, right on the shores of Lake Erie.
We have and continue to build for private clients, commercial customers, and private government entities throughout North America. We have built a reputation that has provided us with many return clients. We pride ourselves on delivering quality custom vessels that will last the test of time.
I see a lot of changes coming in the future. Obviously, you see changes in every industry for autonomy, for the electrical need, the dump of diesel, the dump of petroleums. I mean, we're very interested in thinking very forward. We've already built an autonomous boat and we're very happy with our results. And we want to stay in that field and really work with it. We take the contracts as they come. If a customer wants us to be all electrical, we're going to look at electrical and focus on that. I want to see this company maxed out to this facility, meeting its true potential. We're still looking to hire all the time. We're still looking to upgrade. We're still looking to take our tech to another level. And I'm excited to see us move in that direction. And I think it's very achievable, and I know I'm going to take us there.